special. You see, in our culture, family is very, very important. You got Hello everyone, it's me again, Filipina Explorer. The main topic is all about what do I need to know about having a long-term relationship with a Filipino woman. What are my do's or don't? Number 1. You don't bring your culture with you. She's the woman. You must adapt her culture. Number 2. Smoking alcohol, guzzling is a turn off. You better have none or stop it. Number 3. Her family feel is special. You see, in our culture, family is very, very important. You gotta make some connection with her parents and talk with her siblings. When you talk to her parents or elders, you better end your sentences with po. Even if that sentence is entirely English, end it with a po. Example, I bought some milk from Walmart this morning po. You might say this is really ridiculous, but it sounds very respectful and courteous to our elders. Number 4. Keep communication regular. Don't use excuse, I'm too busy. Well, took some the other day. Filipino woman heard that shit all the time from lame weak men. If you are a really busy person, make an effort to talk to her and not make excuse. In our culture, we have saying not everyone is busy. It depends who you are on their priorities. Number 5. Have you even have you been to the Philippines? Been here or not? You have to learn some language such as mahal kita, I love you, huwag ka na tampo, don't up, don't be upset, di na mauulit, won't do it again. Pangako, I promise. Learn our language is a big plus. Westerners who go out on their way to learn our language are so admirable. Number 6. Eat the food. She eats better yet. Learn to cook just like her. There's no better man than who knows how to cook some authentic Filipino food for his Filipina girlfriend. I wish this could help you out. Good luck. Kayang-kaya mo yan. It means you can do it.